I'm done. Hey everyone, Sanj here, and today I'm gonna take a walk in the nature. I think this place is called Sandhammaren in Sweden. So won't you come along and let's enjoy this beautiful day. Let's go. So let me introduce myself. So I'm SAINTSANJ and I live in Sweden. I've been living in Sweden for about 3 years now. Whoa, that's a long time. So Sweden has this thing called allemansrätt. It's like every man's right, the freedom to roam. And I really like that because you can go anywhere in the woods. I mean, as long as you're not disturbing nature or damaging people's property. So it's really fun to just roam in the woods, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I am roaming in the woods and the beach. Actually, before coming to Sweden, I would have never thought that they had nice beaches, but look at that. Not so comparable to Jamaica, but it's good, man. It's hella good actually. Not so many people out today. It's still cold. It's probably 15 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's really nice out today. Interesting question. What animal did that? And am I gonna be bitten by a wolf? All right, let's see. So every time I start walking in the woods here, that song from Frozen 2, Into the Unknown, gets stuck in my head because I really don't know where I'm going or why, but I just, keep on walking. But it's very relaxing out here. Somebody lives there in the middle of the woods. How nice is that? There we go, a little indication that I am on a suitable path. And you keep going. In any case, this looks like a driveway. So it will lead to somewhere. So these woods weren't so impressive. But they were nice. Actually very relaxing. I enjoyed my walk. Gonna do a lot more walking in a bit. I'm just looking around the place. It's very nice. Actually, I'm just comparing it to my walk last week, so it was good. It was good. Highly recommended. Thirsty. I'm done. Just out here eating ice cream in 14 degrees. Let me show you the ice cream shop. Follow me. Don't get people's faces though, privacy concerns. Yeah. It's right there. But it was a good day walking around, experiencing Swedish nature. I had fun. I hope you had fun watching me do random stuff. Thanks for watching. I feel a little bit of beer in me. Just a little bit.